What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, a channel where we discuss everything about real estate so that you can make an informed decision. And today, as the topic suggests, I would like to introduce you a solution to your bird problem, specifically bird dropping problem. So sometimes you have like place, in this case the house has an aircon hose where the birds like to stay overnight, and when they stay overnight, right, their droppings is going to be a problem. It comes disease, and it's also don't look nice, don't smell nice. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you this thing. Hold on. It's called the bird deterrent spikes. So this is how it looks like. You see these spikes here? It's actually made of plastic, PE. It's blunt and it just prevents the bird from perching on the place. So that means standing there lah. Okay? It is malleable. And you can also cut to length. If it's not up to length, you can just cut it. Cut it using any pen knife will do, or even a strong scissors, big scissors. You can cut it. Okay. So how do you do this? You see, look at this 3 hole here. What I'm going to do is that use this cable tie, go through the hole. Okay. Go through the hole, and the hose or anything that you want, just tie it across, tie it around, and snap the cable ties shut. And this will put these bird deterrent spikes in place. It's actually very cheap solution. I bought this at Shopee. I think it cost me about 5 ringgit, 5 or 6 ringgit for 3 of these, which is 49 by 11. I'm going to link the description down below if you want to get it, okay? So let's get to work. This is the aircon pipe that I'm talking about. It's this, so it's about this width. So I'm going to put this bird spike like this, okay? Of course facing up, holding the camera with one hand now, so it's a bit tough. And then you see these 3 holes here, right? I'm going to tie the cable tie around the hose, and that will actually deter the birds from perching here lah, okay? Just cut the, see how is it? It's too long, right? Just cut here, but I leave the hole beside so that it'll be easier for me to put the cable tie later. Just go across this hole, from this hole to this hole, that's it. Okay, there you have it, your own bird deterrent. Okay, there it is, it's done. The bird spike, it took me less than 15 minutes to install. So if you are having a bird dropping problem, you might want to consider getting this. This is the cable tie just now, and this part here is where I cut the bird spike just now, right? Then I put the cable tie, so you just put through the hole and you're done. This is how it looks like. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful. Bye bye.